Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In today's video we will talk about the various steps of TP-Link router TL-WR840N installation process that make your setup process easier and faster. With the help of this guide we will walk through the easy and short steps that help to complete the setup process and provide the seamless connectivity all of your workstation. First of all, remove the router from its packaging and locate the power adapter, Ethernet cables, and antennas, if detachable. If your router has detachable antennas, attach them securely. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the modem to the router's WAN, Internet, port, usually colored blue. Power up, plug in the router's power adapter and turn it on. Ensure your modem is also powered on. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your computer to one of the router's LAN ports, usually yellow. Find the default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password printed on the router or in the manual. Connect to this network using your computer or mobile device. On the connected device, open a web browser, e.g., Chrome, Firefox, Safari. In the address bar, type http://tplinkwifi.net or http://192.168.0.1 and press enter. You will be prompted to log in. The default username and password are both admin. Enter these and log in. After logging in, you may be taken to the quick setup wizard. Follow the prompts to configure your internet connection. Choose your connection type, dynamic IP, static IP, PPPoE, etc., based on the information provided by your ISP. Enter the necessary details, e.g., IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS servers for static IP, username and password for PPPoE. Navigate to the wireless settings. Set your preferred SSID, Wi-Fi network name. Choose a secure password for your Wi-Fi network. After configuring your settings, save the changes. The router may prompt you to reboot. Confirm to restart the router with the new settings. That's how you can set up your TP-Link wireless router. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.